Hi, this is your RSA approved driving instructor Sean from PassFirstTime.ie. Tip number 23 in our 30 tips in 30 days. Traffic lights. What does the amber light mean? Well, it could mean the difference between passing and failing your driving test for you. But let's have a look at the meaning of the light itself first of all. So the amber light at a traffic lights means stop if it's safe to do so. If you can stop safely, you absolutely should and have to. The most common mistakes at an amber light are people keep going when they could have stopped safely, and people stop very harshly when it is too dangerous to stop and they should have kept going through the amber light. So let's try and figure out a routine to try and help you avoid this. It's all revolving around what I call the point of no return. So as you're approaching the light, you keep your eye on the colour of the light. It's very important. You're watching everything that's going on around you, but always keep your eye on the light out of the corner of your eye. If a light has been green for quite a while and approached, this is one of the telltale signs that it might just turn to amber. So you pick a point. And you say to yourself, if it goes amber anywhere beyond that point, I cannot stop safely, so I will keep going. If it goes amber before I reach that particular point, I will be able to stop safely, and that's what I'll do. So if you have your mind made up, once you pass that point of no return, then you're not too concerned yourself because you know you couldn't stop safely. When the light, if it does change to amber, you're quite confidently going to drive through that junction. So try and have your mind made up in advance. Plan your approach, avoid braking dangerously, and avoid going through the amber light when you could have stopped nice and safely. So try that point of no return, pick a place on approach, run through that, and hopefully it will help you. Also, flashing amber lights at a pelican crossing. I've had a lot of questions about those down through the years. The flashing amber means you yield to pedestrians. So if there's anybody crossing, you have to wait. But at a flashing amber, if there is nobody there, you can proceed as long as it is safe. So you can keep going at the flashing amber as long as it's safe. Here's a top tip to take us out today. Always keep your eye on the light as you approach. I know there's a lot going on at these junctions and it is very easy to take your eye off the light. I compare it to taking your eye off the ball in football. You must always watch the ball. Same way, you must always watch the light, because a change in the colour of the light can make a huge difference to you, your driving test, and to road safety in general. So hopefully you have found that helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe. Check out our course at PassFirstTime.ie. Click the bell and you will be notified of tomorrow's video. Until then, safe motoring. Bye-bye. Want to pass your driving test first time? Check out our pre-test driving course. Saving you time, money, and giving you the best chance of passing first time. With RSA approved driving instructors, short, easy to follow video lessons covering all topics: reverse, turnabout, marking sheet, dual carriageway, car checks, bonnet checks, and a whole lot more to help you pass your driving test. This is your 24/7 driving instructor. Check it out today.